Microsoft blocks all macros by default, whether they're downloaded from a website or attached to an email. Are you blocked? Watch for these symptoms. Say you can't download the Taskmaster, or you can download it, but you can't run it. It downloads, but the starting page is empty. There's no pop-up. Everything looks okay, but there's a warning message. Here's how to unblock a single file, all files downloaded from a website, or the Taskmaster itself. Let's start with a single file. Right-click the Taskmaster file. On the drop-down menu, click Properties. On the General tab, click Unblock. Then click OK. That's how you unblock a single file. Next, unblock all files downloaded from a website. To do that, you click on the Windows Start and you enter Internet Options. Click on Internet Options for the Control Panel. Then click on the Security tab. Select Trusted Sites. Click on Sites and enter the ProjectFlightDeck URL. Click Add, and you'll see that the URL is added to the list of trusted sites. Click Close and click OK. With that, ProjectFlightDeck downloads are unblocked. Finally, unblock the Taskmaster itself. This is the most common block that we see. The symptom is a blank screen when you first open the file. To unblock it, click on File. Then, at the bottom, click on Options. And click on Trust Center. Click on Trust Center Settings. And change the macro settings from Disable Without Notification to Disable with Notification. That lets you control macro execution. Click OK. And back on Project Options, click OK again. Now it's time to wrap up. On the starting page, click File. Click Save. Click File again. Click Close. And finally, click Exit from Microsoft Project. Restart the Taskmaster, and you should see the Start page with the pop-up. For details, here are links.